Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. If you love adorable crochet designs for newborn baby, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected with us. Now let's get started. Take a look. Ear head designs add a playful and charming touch, making a beautiful look even more adorable. A tiny crown style head designs bring a royal and stylish vibe. Perfect for special moments. Moving on outfits, a cozy button-up
Beautiful
cardigan
newborn
design
baby boy
creates a warm
crochet
and elegant look.
designs made
The
with love
texture
and
stitch add a
creativity. A
unique
soft
and
baby
modern
blue
feel.
crochet
A
beanie
soft pullover
gives
pleated
a
design in
simple and
light
classic
and
look perfect for
neutral
every
shades
wear.
gives a
A
clean
cute
and stylish
weary
appearance. Matching two-piece set designs are always eye-catching with ribbed pants and a fitted top, creating a complete outfit. A cute romper designs with small button detail offer a simple yet adorable one-piece style. For tiny feet, classic crochet booties provide softness and comfort. Sneaker style booties designs add a fun and trendy touch to the overall look. To complete the collection, a soft texture crochet blanket design adds warmth and coziness. A beautiful star pattern blanket designs give a dreamy and elegant finish. Each design is unique, stylish, and perfect for newborn baby boy days. Combination comfort with a touch of handmade love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful crochet design ideas. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!